In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a menu in Elementor. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to create a professional and engaging website using Elementor, a popular WordPress page builder. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to design a stylistic, responsive, and user-friendly menu that enhances the navigability of your site. Let's begin by opening your WordPress dashboard. From there, navigate to Pages and select the page you want to edit, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Now, click on Edit with Elementor to launch the Elementor editor. Once the editor is open, we're going to add a new section where your menu will reside. Click on the Add New Section button, usually indicated by a plus sign. Choose the structure that best suits your design for a menu. A single column section is often the best choice, but feel free to explore arrangements if you're going for a unique layout. Now that we have our section set up, it's time to add a menu widget. Head over to the Elementor panel and search for Nav Menu. Drag and drop the Nav Menu widget into your section. You'll see a default menu displayed. If you haven't created a menu yet, pause for a moment and head to the WordPress dashboard. Go to Appearance and then Menus. Here, you can build a custom menu by selecting pages and adding them to your menu structure. Don't forget to assign this menu as your main menu and save your changes. Back in Elementor, with the Nav Menu widget in place, select the menu you just created from the drop-down menu in the Content tab. Now let's style your menu to align it with your website's aesthetics. Head over to the Style tab. Here, you can adjust typography settings, such as font size and weight, and choose your preferred colors for items and the hover state. It's essential to preview these changes on both desktop and mobile views to ensure a seamless experience across devices. Finally, let's make our menu responsive. Switch to the responsive mode in Elementor, which lets you view your page on different devices. Once you're viewing on mobile, you might notice that the menu needs adjustments to look neat. Under Style, navigate to the drop-down section and customize the mobile menu to ensure it's user-friendly and visually appealing. Remember, mobile traffic is significant, so your mobile menu's functionality is crucial. With everything set up, don't forget to save your work by clicking the Update button. And there you have it. You've successfully created a menu using Elementor. Remember, the menu is often one of the first things your visitors interact with, so a well-thought-out menu is vital for a positive user experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you create the perfect navigation menu for your website.